Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to our next class. I am Salma, your English teacher. English grammar. What is grammar? Why learning grammar is important? Have you ever thought about it? If not, in today's class, let us discuss about meaning of grammar, sentence, kinds of sentences. Let us see the definition of grammar first. Grammar is the study of language. It is the study of rules of language. The purpose of grammar is to help us communicate our ideas effectively. As the definition says, grammar is the study of a language. It is a set of rules of a language. After learning these rules, it will be helpful for us to communicate, to put our ideas and thoughts in the forms of sentences. So, the study of grammar is very, very important. Without the knowledge of grammar, it's not possible to learn any language. Sentence. What is a sentence? Let us see the definition. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete sense or meaning. A group of words that gives a complete sense or meaning is called as a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. The marks like full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, which are given in the brackets, are called as punctuation marks. So remember, children, you have to begin every sentence with a capital letter and every sentence ends either with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. We will be discussing about this exclamation mark later in this video. Now let us look at some examples. Reshma is a clever girl. Tiger is a wild animal. What is your name? What a great idea. So these are the groups of words. After reading these groups of words, we are getting a complete meaning. Such group of words that gives a complete meaning are called as sentences. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences in English. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences in English. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Let us discuss assertive sentence first. What is assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is a sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive sentence. Any sentence that merely says something or declares something is called as an assertive sentence. We have to put a full stop at the end of every assertive sentence. So assertive sentence is a statement. Let us see some examples. All that glitters is not gold. Children love chocolate. English is my favorite subject. So these 3 are the examples of assertive sentence since they are declaring something, since they are some statements. And observe that we have put a full stop at the end of each sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question, such sentences are called as interrogative sentences. We put a mark of interrogation, that is question mark, at the end of an interrogative sentence. When the sentence is a question, we have to put a question mark at the end. Let us look at some examples. Do you like reading books? Which is your favorite color? So these are examples of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. Imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a command, a request, an advice, or a wish is called an imperative sentence. Any sentence that says a command or a request, an advice, or a wish is called as an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence also needs a full stop at the end. We have to put a full stop at the end of an imperative sentence also. Now let us look at some examples. Get out of this room. Command. Please lend me your pen. Request. Do your homework regularly. Advice. May God bless you. Wish. Look at these 4 examples, children. Get out of this room. It is a command. When you give a command, it is called as an imperative sentence. When you request for something like please lend me your pen, such sentences also are imperative sentence. Do your homework regularly. Here you are giving advice. So when you give an advice, it is also comes under the category of imperative sentence. May God bless you. When you wish something for others, it is also called as an imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, advice, or a wish are called as imperative sentence. Next, exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden feeling of joy or sorrow is called an exclamatory sentence. When you feel joy or sorrow, you express that sudden joy and sorrow in a different way. Such sentences are called as exclamatory sentence. We put a mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Let us look at some examples. What a beautiful flower. As soon as you see a flower, you will get so happy and you will express it in a different way. So you will say, what a beautiful flower. What a silly idea. How tall the building is. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. I hope you have understood the kinds of sentences clearly, children. Thanks for watching this video. We shall meet with more exciting lessons and videos in our next class. Till then, take care and bye.